The other section we have recently added to the aggregated views of proteins contains information about similar proteins. So this section is composed out of two different subsections. The first section contains all the proteins which share greater than 90% sequence identity to different UniProt entry and for which we do have a structural data. For those proteins which share greater than 90, which share greater detail than 90%, and we don't have the structural data for them, those are in the following section. Here you can get, in this section, you can get brief information about the name of the protein and the species where the protein comes from, as well as some high-level information about what is the data content we have in the database, such as the structural coverage of the protein, as well as how many structures we have, how many ligands interact with the protein of interest, and how many macromolecular partners can be found there. The sequence coverage serves also as a link to 3D view of that protein of interest with a representative structure. And finally, the button on the right-hand side serves as a link to go to different aggregated view of the protein of interest. The other section contains all the proteins which share greater than 90% sequence identity. However, you don't have enough structural data for them. However, in certain cases, we still have some structures for a smaller proportion of the sequence, and you can have a look at those PDB entries by using the links provided. And again, all the data can be downloaded in a CSV or JSON format for your further analysis.